don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out by penalties. I'm joined by Umenier.
Steve Otsidala ngasezi kuwe ngivakashele namhlanje.
Sure, Umenier.
Mina uthiyami ngikhulume ngawo kokuqala mina ngakutshela ngathi ucoach wethu une-favoritism.
Yes.
Bangithethisa bathi engasakhulumi kuma-fans wethu.
Yes.
Namhlanje bakhani babona ukuthi nemtanjela akasenzeli nix.
Favorite.
Ucoach wethu must stop ukuthi ukuthatha abafana abancane abafake under the bus.
Sure.
There's a big game ukuthi singadlala ngabantu esaziwe bane-experience.
Abafana.
You understand?
Yeah.
Uthatha lama player wakhe aza nawo from Marumo Gallants. Wabeka priority.
Yes.
Sinoslepe thina before igame isizini iphela. We've got uthole 4 men of the match ama-game ophela. Uslepe ngeke usamthola ebenchini akasekho. Wadu mina ngifuna ukumcela into eyi-1.
Sure.
Maybe isiZulu yasizwa.
Yeah.
Wadu mina ngicela ukuthi buyisa ischeme sika Rivero uede.
Yeah.
Wadu safuna umqosha nga 2 games.
Sure.
Same thing la yenzayo manje futhi uyaqala futhi wenzani uyayiphinda ufuna simkhumbuze ukuthi sitheni kuwe ukhohliwe understand.
Yeah.
Mina ngangikhuluma ngama player everyone is booing uTito.
Yeah.
uTito makaphuma iPirates phambili ayisayi iyafa sana mshini unemtanjela umile la
Doing nothing.
Understand. uTito mina ngazi ukuthi bamenzeni abantu bePirates bamzonda ukuthi wenzeni understand.
Bane floor.
Mina into ngicela ucoach wami coach buyisela ischeme sika lo sika Rivero
Yes.
uede.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela otherwise mfowethu iPirates oluzi league mfowethu siphe ileague ikithi manje
Yeah.
ikithi
Siphe.
but wadu if lengqondo ayiphethe ukuthi yena ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi uye
Yeah. Uzodlisa.
uyasiqeda usiqedile you understand.
Uzodlisa.
Beka manje ulo uChabatsani
Yeah.
from Marumo Gallants.
Yes.
Ne
Yes.
ulo ubuyile ufirefight.
Yeah.
Ne ubuya ku-injury.
Yeah.
Wangamfaki kule game le.
Sure.
You understand.
Sure.
Kuthi nganoma siyakudabi if sithole injury emuva.
Yeah.
Siyambuyisa ufirefight. Akona game time.
Yes.
You understand.
Yes.
Wadu mina ngicela ukuthi akadlalise ischeme sika Rivero ngiyamcela hayi ukuthi sithathe uRivero aede
Or what?
either gate
Once.
qedile awuthiyami.
Thank you, Rodman. Thank you.